Hey guys, and welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys a couple of tricks on creating printables for your Etsy, or in this case, any other platforms, whatever you have that is related to the e-commerce. Okay, so first and foremost, what I need you guys to get a feel about is that there's actually a lot of sites out there, editing sites that you could actually use to supplement your basically supplement your e-commerce platform when it comes to printables, selling printables basically. So I'm checking, people also ask, so these are the majority, the rated questions worldwide. So Google actually combines this as a rated, so a lot of people actually ask. So Canva is good, free online AI, PIXLR is actually a good one as well. A friend of mine actually used this editor when it comes to when it comes to stickers basically, or printables. So that's what we're going to relay on right now. So first and foremost, of course, second of all, we're going to need to open our Etsy, our platform here. Now, don't be confused by all of these sites right here that says Etsy on it. Choose this one that has the Equid, because this is the one that you're going to be setting up, especially if you're trying to sell online. Okay, so that's it basically. Let's just wait for it to load a little bit here, and yeah, basically get to familiarize all of this, especially the front board in this one, the dashboard, all of its tools here, and also yeah, linkables like TikTok and Facebook, Instagram, and your website. Don't forget to get all of that and comply all of these things in order for you to really go to the next level when it comes to selling online. Okay, catalog and products. So let's say that you already had your printables that you've edited from the editor that I just showed you guys. So it doesn't matter what you edit there, as long as because editing itself is a whole nother video. Just add product if you already have the product you have from the video, and this is basically how you sell on Etsy. So I'm going to show you guys. So in order to add product, just click here, and assuming that you've already created the printables, you click the name here. There's also the beautiful thing about this, the product gallery, is that you could actually shoot on different angles as well. So yeah, right now you could also upload a video if you like. So yeah, just basically, if you guys have sold on Amazon, which I assume that you already have the basic knowledge when it comes to selling online and the niches that you have. So in here, the description, you just write it out. So this is a printable product for toddlers or kids, so basically whatever. So what I've noticed is that the printables, majority of the printables are, if you guys are looking for the printables that usually sell, I highly recommend those printables that are, suitable for parties. Doesn't matter if it's for kids, like parties, basically clubs. And yeah, a friend of mine actually had this, but the pricing here, let's say the price is 45 pesos, since we are basing it off of Philippines right here. And the beautiful thing about Etsy is you can see this, there's advices. There's actually no way for you guys to be, to basically get lost here, because when you're trying to scroll down these icons right here, it basically shows you all these advices that you need, these steps. Well, they're not steps, they're just advices basically. So product availability, let's click that. You can enable it or disable it depending on, see if the customer sees your product, is it available or not. See these ones, stock control, and that's the beautiful thing about this one. So product review, you can review your product before you're trying to sell it, of course. So if you already have your printables, like for this one, the sample product is going to be put here on the see, there's Facebook, you share on Facebook, like Pinterest. Unfortunately, this one isn't available on our country, the pin it. So again, we're going to do a quick review here so you guys wouldn't get lost. Okay, so again, just it's up to you. Just click on the best suitable editor for you guys. That's what you need, a good editor. So there's a bunch of editing platforms out here like photo editor, free online, PIXLR. Yeah, this one is the best that I could recommend to you guys. Comes with a price, but one of the best when it comes to printables. And that's just basically it. You add your product here, don't forget. Yeah, just a quick summary here on the dashboard. Again, don't forget the steps because those are the actual crucial steps for you to take. And yeah, just basically basic thing. The thing that I love about this one is it's really easy to traverse. There's really not much going here. Like there's not much icons to click onto, so you wouldn't get lost. You have sample products here that you could, you know, base off of. Just click add product. Basically a beautiful platform right here. The name, don't forget the name, description. Okay, so once you've mastered the key fundamentals of online selling like branding and figuring out what's best for you, especially a niche basically. So a niche basically means the thing that works for you, like if it's connected to a passion. Like if you like basketball, then you go sell basketball affiliated products. So that's basically what a niche means. A lot of people get niches, you know, based off of their hobbies. Okay, add new products to if you want to, and yeah, that's just basically it. Simple as that. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.